If your lock has this problem where your knob is in the lock position, you can't turn it, and you go to enter a keypad code and you immediately get this red light, like so. Or you hit the program button and you get this red light. Here's how you reset this lock. So step one is you take the knob and you apply pressure to it. Even though you can't turn it very far, you apply pressure to it, either in the clockwise or the counterclockwise direction, whichever one you can turn it the most. So you put this pressure on it as far as you can go. Next, you take your other hand and you put in the code 5555. Wait for the green light to come on, and then recenter your knob. You should have heard a click. Now you re-enter that code 5555. You should hear a click, and now you should be able to unlock that lock.